Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news of slowing factories in both the US and China. In the US, the snow is snarling more than flights. Although the latest ISM PMI survey showed that the manufacturing sector expanded in January for the 8th consecutive month, new orders fell sharply, down a whopping 13%. This was a surprise to markets overnight, and equities fell on the news. There's certainly a head-scratcher in the recent narrative about American factory expansion. The recent cold weather seems to get most of the blame. It was the energy, chemicals and computer sectors who suffered most in the adjustment. Gold is back up, oil is down again, and the US Treasury 10-year benchmark bond yields are now down to 2.62%. There was also a slowing of factory output in China, and Chinese service industries barely grew as well, mainly due to their real estate sector. The NZX has said that it has been registered in America by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, allowing US investors to trade options in a range of milk products, including whole and skim milk powder, for the first time. Previously, American investors could only participate in the NZX Dairy Futures Exchange via a third party. This will likely be a very big deal for the NZX. Still in the US, Janet Yellen is now formally the head of the US Federal Reserve, the first woman to take the post. It's also a very big deal. Ben Bernanke is off to the Brookings Institution think tank. At the same time, the battle starts anew for approval for the latest increase in the US debt limit. And finally, some amazing new data here in New Zealand. Overnight, it was revealed that January car sales here were stunning. 8,293 new cars were sold in January, a quarter of them SUVs, at a level not seen since the excessively frothy 1989. It's certainly the highest January ever recorded. New Zealand dollar starts today basically unchanged from yesterday at 81 US cents, 92.3 Aussie cents, and the TWIs are still at 76.7. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.